Hello friends, I welcome you to this class. The focus of this series is basically on non-parametric tests. Now in this class, I want to show you how you can run Kruskal Wallis in SPSS. Kruskal Wallis is non-parametric test equivalent of one-way analysis of variance. You have your dependent variable measured at continuous or ordinal level of measurement, and you have your categorical independent variable. It has to be categorical at 3 or more levels. Now, so I want to show you how you run this Kruskal Wallis now in SPSS. This is the data we'll be using. I got this data from SPSS to have to modify it to suit the purpose of this class. So we have the dependent variable, that is income, which is measured at continuous level of measurement, and the categorical data, that is educational qualification, which has 4 levels. And it's assumed that this data is not normally distributed. Now that we have the data, we are looking for difference in household income based on educational qualification of the respondent. Now, let me show you how to do that. Click on Analyse, now parametric tests. Okay. Now this is the dependent variable. Move it to the test variable list. This is independent variable. Move to the grouping variable. We have to define it. Because the categorical is dependent variable is at 4 levels. So the minimum level is 1. The maximum is 4. Continue. Yes, Kruskal Wallis has been ticked, so you can continue with the analysis. So click OK. So this is the results. First degree, yes, that is has the highest mean rank, followed by postgraduate degree, followed by high school, and the least is primary school. Now let's look at this mean rank. Let's look at the mean rank if the difference is significant. Okay, let's check the Kruskal Wallis. 42.849. The degree of freedom is 3. The sig here, that is 0.00. You can see this result is less than 0.05. So we can conclude that there is significant difference in household income based on the educational qualification of the respondent. Then there's need to determine where the difference lies. That's a pairwise comparison. So in the next class, I will show you how you can run post hoc tests for Kruskal Wallis test. If you are here to subscribe to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and also the notification button so that you can get alert for subsequent uploads. Thank you for watching.